Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how to set up your account in Vistalog. If you register with Vistalog and you have bought your coupon made registration successfully, then definitely you're going to be having at least 3,000 naira. That is your registration bonus. Vistalog costs only 5k for registration. One time you will not pay anything again for life. So but once you register successfully, the system still give you back, gives you back your 3k. It's just like you've just spent only 2k. And that's part of your earning. You now go on to earn every single day to make up money for your withdrawals. But meanwhile, you need to set up your account. The reason for this is anytime you make withdrawal request, simply to be sent to that account, it wouldn't be something the system will start asking you, where is it? No. And that's why when you are doing this, do it correctly. Please use your proper name, your correct name in doing that. Don't just put anything you want. Now look at how to do it. This is already your dash office now, your back office, sorry. Now you can see this icon that looks like a profile icon. Click on it. Just watch. When you click on that, is the second icon down there. The first icon is home icon. That one, then the profile icon. That's the one you're going to click on. Yes, yeah, it's opened up. So you're going to find yourself here. The first thing you're going to see here is you see referred by, that is your upline team leader. You're going to see the username of your upline team leader. Then your name is already there, your number. Now you choose your country. If, for instance, you're from Nigeria, in this case, you're going to choose. You see where I click on that drop down, and it's showing me all of this. So I'm going to drag down until I get Nigeria. I think, okay, this is it. You click on it. Now the next thing you're going to do, you set up your account details. It's very important. So your account name, that name you use in opening that account. Now this is also a drop down where you have access. Don't say, I'm not using access. Nobody's forcing you to do that. Just click on the drop down and see a lot of other banks. So choose the bank. If for me now I may say I choose GTB, I now put my account name. Okay, the first one is account number. Then this one is account name. Once you've done that, you click submit. Instantly, you've done it. Now, before I run this video, you need to know what Vistalog is all about. Please, if you want to make money this year in 2024, and those who started in January have, had good experience and good testimony, February starts today. Don't make the mistake you make past months, please. This is a go-to place where you can make money genuinely, legitimately online this year. I prepared a particular video where I have to clear your mind about the legitimacy of this particular system. I'm watching our YouTube channel right now. So all you need is just your one-time 5k. And you think about it, if taking risk, it's all about 5k. That's not any big risk. But it's a kind of risk that had the potential to take you up there that you have ever longed for. So I wouldn't expect that you've seen this video, you are still saying, my 5k cannot go. Please join Vistalog. Every information on how to go about this, you're going to ask me, you're going to see my contact. You can use the comment section of the YouTube to ask the question, or contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you every good details, and I encourage you to be part of this. So this is exactly how to, because once you now eventually register, you are going to go through this. So if you have seen this video, it's a guide that will be profitable for you once you register with Vistalog. I'm going to stop at this. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.